institution has been more than a school to me. It has been a home away from home, and it has enabled me to be the person who you see today. So amazing. My name is Tashtika Sang, and I'm a prefect of the Salvation Army School for the Blind and Visually Impaired. I've been here since the age of 6.
The Salvation Army School was founded in 1927. It's a school for the blind. We do have children who have low vision, yes, and some are totally blind. So Tashtika is one of those she is totally blind.
When I was born, I was 7 months premature, and they diagnosed me with retinopathy of prematurity. I was placed in the incubator for about 3 weeks, and by that time I got too much oxygen, so the eyelids of my eyes became frozen. Coming to this school, being in the choir since the age of 6, it has been a blessing. It has been a blessing because it lends my voice to ministering to others.
Hearts always hunger for, hearts always hunger for, hearts always hunger for.
Over the years, we have participated in the JCDC competition, and our students have been doing well. And Tashtika is one of those who have done very well. She has performed at different events and has been successful in taking home trophies from time to time.
In 2013, my choir got 2 firsts and a second at the Children's Gospel Competition. My first place was in choir, first ensemble, second solo. In 2014, we got first in choir. In 2015, I did performing arts with recorder. I got gold and reached parish finals. In 2016, I did solo for the school at the Children's Gospel competitions. I came second, winning a trophy, winning $15,000, a tablet.
What song is that?
Stand by me.
When the night has come.
My dream was set since I was a little baby girl growing up. I always loved teaching. I always wanted to teach, so I usually practice teaching in the field of music because music is my life. So being able now to set my mind towards going to Edna Manley in September, it's amazing. It's really amazing.
I know as she moves on to become, she says, a music teacher, that she will be excelling in that area. And from personal experience, I know that in years to come, we're going to be hearing the name Tashtika Sang out there doing something extraordinary in music. Oh, stand by me, stand by me. That's crazy.